Hey fellow litter pickers and litter app community, welcome. My name is Fred Steenberg and this is a new video about a new feature that we just introduced today. It is about exporting the data, and normally everything you want to do you can do within litter app itself. So you can upload your photos, you can give the tags, you can do stuff with the global data in Grafana, all kind of stuff. And if you need anything that is not possible, just contact us and we can try if we can help you. But another option is to take your own data and export it and do all the stuff you want to do in your own program, which you like. Um, that can be something like QSys, if I pronounce it correctly. It can also even be something like Excel, where you can do a lot of stuff with your data and even create charts and maps and stuff like that. So if that's your cup of tea, well, here's a short video about how to do that. If you go to my photos, you will normally get the filter page and you can hide it, but in this case it is open. If you press clear, all filters are removed, so it's showing everything. And for instance, if I say, well, I want to see all my recycled pictures or maybe all pictures with a status, for instance for cans, all the shredded cans or all ropes that are longer than 1 meter or whatever you want. If you have pictures and you want to filter them, in this case I'm going to use the date. And I'm saying I'm going to take all the pictures from last week, or at least taken from that day. Might even be uploaded later, but at least the picture was taken on the 12th of August and later. If I filter, it will search for all the photos that have that date or later. It will show up with 209 photos, which is okay. And I can say export data. It will say it will download the file with all the items and the tags that you have filtered. So I'm going to choose export, and then it shows the options that we have right now. And the CSV file is the one that I'm talking about, that was introduced yesterday and today pushed to production. So if I press CSV, a comma separated file, or a JSON, but in this case I'm going to select the CSV file, it will download, and if ready I can open it. And it will open the file in Excel, and in this case it will show all the lines in the first column. Well, if you're really interested in using the CSV file, you probably also know what to do with it, but for instance you can say I'm going to select that file, I'm going to data, press the, let me see where the one is, text to columns, and in this case probably also related to the version of Excel that you're using, it is a comma that I'm using here, might also be some other character. So in this case it's not fixed width, because I'm not sure how long every line is, but it is delimited by a comma field, so by comma, and then it will show that these will become the new columns, which is correct, or at least I assume that is correct. If I show them all the right sizes, then I have the IDs of the numbers, the original file names, the GPS locations, the taken date, which should be the date after the date that I've selected for the filter, created at some time, and with all the items. And if you look at the items, it will say everything about that photo. So for instance, a bottle picked up is true, recycled is false, deposited is false, etc. These are also specific items, so I could even say, well, select this column and do it again and create different columns for that one as well. But I guess most of the people, if you are interested in this way of working, you will probably use the latitude and longitude, and maybe with some number or some other stuff, and create your own maps with what you have picked. Well, that's it for now. Short video, but it is a new option. Export data to CSV file, which might be very handy for a few people maybe, but that's why we do it. Trying to help as much as possible to make an impact. So that's it. If you like it, please let us know. If you don't, let us know as well, and see what we can do better then. That's it for now. Have a nice evening. See you in the next video.